Hi, this is Jeff and welcome to Manhattan Armor. And here's our latest project, a launch edition G63 ultra lightweight armor, level B4, high powered handgun protection, 44 Magnum and below. This vehicle appears fully stock and mimics every original detail this car had before it was protected by us. All the glass is manufactured by AGP, which is a factory vendor to Mercedes-Benz on OEM armored cars, and it mimics the full curvature, offset, and texture of the original glass. All original features such as rear antenna, defrosters are all incorporated into the glass. You see in the windshield, those original stencils that they have for all the factory sensors that are in this vehicle. Every panel is as factory. There is nothing about this vehicle that will give off that it's armored, other than the fact that every glass in this vehicle has our logo in the glass itself. If you can see that. Notice one thing about this entrance. There is no obtrusive overlap welded in. As a matter of fact, there's no welding in this car whatsoever, or cutting of harnesses to prevent your entrance or your exit. That's accomplished by a custom feature on glass that I'll show you shortly. Let's start this car up. A nice feature of this launch edition is this red in the carbon fiber. If you can see it, it's really pretty. Look at the attention to detail on all the fitting of the 8 pillars, the headliner, the dashboard. Everything has been fully reupholstered. There is not one detail that will let you know that this car has been modified. No unsightly extra screws or clips or whatever gizmos they use to keep these panels back in place after they've armored it, because remember, we're adding another layer behind this that creates a challenge for the existing infrastructure to fit back in. But we handled that perfectly well. Let's open the window and show you something really cool. Look at this. One touch opening. Now remember we told you about the overlap? This glass is designed to have a steel surround. That steel surround protects bullets from entering from the top of the door and the bottom of the roof, or for the side of the door and A pillar and B pillar. Now look at this. Look how fast that is. Your logo on watermark in the glass. Look at the upholstery on the door panel. Perfect. Most shops tend to cut them off and put some kind of molding. We actually rebuild these panels by hand, reupholster them in the same leather, and you cannot tell this car was ever touched. Let's go to the back door. Same watermark, same upholstery. Look at that. Also notice all our windows have what they call Edge Plus finishing, which provides many worthwhile advantages, but also is aesthetically pleasing. Look at that. This, as the OE rear quarter windows, have the antenna and the transmitters for the alarm system. The rear window has the defroster. Well, let me show you the interior of the cargo. Pretty cool. We maintain the parcel cover, which most guys don't use because it doesn't fit after they added all this bulk for the interior. Look at the quality of our upholstery and the sleeper fitting. Look at the seat pillars. Look at the headliner. It is fully original, with no extra ugly clips or screws. All the surrounds of the glass are OE. That's because AGP, who makes the glass for us, is the OE provider to Mercedes for their factory armored cars. windows work, both from the door switch and the master switch. Now we'll come to the end of this tour and show you two amazing features. What we feature that no one else does is a ballistic functioning sunroof. Look at our logo and look at this. One touch opening like the factory. One touch closing. And tilt. You can always cover if you want to. Lastly, all our cars feature a Federal Signal Stealth Police package with all the controls in the mic. It has a PA system, testing, 1 2 1 2, air horns, siren, and welch. And now let me show you the stealth lights. This is pretty cool because you don't know this car has lights till you go outside and they're on. They are behind the grille, above the radiator, totally factory appearance, totally stealth. The rear strobes are our own invention where we take the factory LED reverse lights and create them as part of the safety package. When the system is off, we reverse the normal reverse lights. No one knows that this car has this system in it. We'll close this window real quickly. Pretty fast, huh? Welcome to Manhattan Armor again, and this is Jeff from Manhattan Armor, and you can find us on the web at manhattanarmor.com, on Instagram at Manhattan Armor, or call me at 212-447-6500. Again, 212-447-6500. Thank you so much for your time.